It's a special early present.
What about me?
Let's see what he got.
Early present.
Oh, what is that?
It's a collar from Chloe.
Oh, okay. Cool. What else?
Oh,
It's a Giants collar, huh?
And a book. How about that?
Now, when you get that top one
Cool.
started, the middle one, then you can start tightening there.
Another book.
Well, Chloe, how you doing?
Oh. Is this a present for you or for Chloe?
Oh, you
A dog
love
leash.
Chloe. Is that because she got out the other day and you couldn't find her?
Oh, and a little toy for her. Why don't you see if the collar fits on her? Go see if it fits. This right here.
No.
Okay, see if this fits on her. Here, let me help you.
This is not for me. This is all for Chloe. Pretty
Yeah,
much.
I know. We'll see if it fits.
Right here.
Yeah, on her neck where her other one is.
Yeah, it's perfect.
It looks kind of big.
It
You think it's too big?
looks too big.
You know, I have an idea. Hold on. Nana, can you hold this real
Yep.
quick? I have an idea.
All right.
Stay right there, okay? No, you stay here. You stay here. You stay here.
Chloe's pretty cute, huh? So you have a book on dogs, and what else?
A frisbee?
A what?
A frisbee?
A frisbee? What do you do with a frisbee? Do you and Chloe play frisbee?
She doesn't really chase that.
But aren't you going to teach her? Isn't that what you do with dogs? Or is she not that kind of dog?
I don't know.
You don't really know, huh? Well, let's see what we got here. Close your eyes.
Why don't you see if it fits on him? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
His name's Cowboy.
Hi, cowboy.
What do you think?
Good.
Yeah? Can take the collar off?
Oh, now she's got a friend.
Mm-hmm.
Here, Mommy. So,
What'd you get?
A new dog.
A dog?
Where was he that whole time?
In
What
my
happened to his
room.
tail?
Where is its tail?
Hmm.
Can I change its name when I'm done?
it's your dog.
Oh, wow. What do you think?
Good. I like it. Hello, my present. Hello, my present. Well, now we have 2 dogs.
Yeah. Well, that's
Hello,
cool.
my present.
What's he doing?
Hello, my present. Hello, my present. Hello, my present, Mommy. Hello, my present. Hello, my present. This one's more softer.
Yeah.